The kiwi bird is a flightless nocturnal species endemic to New Zealand and a national icon of the country. Kiwi belongs to the genus Aptrix in the family Aptrigidae and is the smallest of the ratite birds, which also includes ostriches, emus, and extinct moa. There are 5 species: brown kiwi, great spotted kiwi, roroa, little spotted kiwi, rowi, and tokoika, about the size of a chicken, standing 0.5 to 0.6 meters tall. Females, 2 to 3.9 kilograms, are heavier than males, 1.4 to 3.2 kilograms. 25 to 50 years in the wild and up to 35 years in captivity. Has shaggy, hair-like brown-gray feathers for camouflage, tiny vestigial wings hidden under plumage, and strong legs accounting for 1/3 of its body weight. Its long, curved bill has nostrils at the tip, enabling it to smell prey underground. Forages at night, using a keen sense of smell and touch, as its eyesight is poor. It sleeps in burrows, hollow logs, or among tree roots during the day. Females lay one of the largest eggs relative to body size, up to 20% of their weight, which incubates for about 11 weeks, the longest among birds. Chicks hatch fully feathered and independent, sustained by a yolk sac for the first week. Monogamous, often pairing for life. They mark territories with droppings and communicate via calls. Males have a high-pitched call, females a hoarse one. There are approximately 70,000 kiwis left, with unmanaged populations declining by 2% annually. Threats include predation by stoats, to chicks, dogs, ferrets, and cats, as well as habitat loss and human impacts. Conservation efforts involve predator control, habitat protection, and community-led initiatives. Kiwi in its natural habitat.